Do you want to see how I achieved this amazing eyeshadow look on my dark skin client? Keep watching. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time today, this channel is about skincare, lifestyle and makeup tutorial. Please do well to hit the subscription button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. So we started off by cleaning our client's face, and for that I used a makeup wipes. After cleaning her face, I went in to hydrate her skin using a setting spray from Kissbeauty. After drying it in, I went in to do moisturizer, and for moisturizer, the moisturizer is from Blossom Cosmetics. You want to massage that properly into the skin and dry out with a mini fan. Next went on to apply some primer on her face. This is going to give her makeup a good base to sit on and also last a very long time. And we apply this on the T-zones of her face. You want to blend that properly into her skin and then dry out with a mini fan. For her foundation, we use the Revlon foundation and the Tinstay foundation together in order to get her accurate skin tone and undertone. So going in with my Yglam beauty sponge, I'll be blending that properly onto her skin. You want to blend that properly and make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere. Take your time and blend it very well. Next, we went on to do some liquid blush on her cheek, and for this we are using the Imagic lip palette. You want to pick the shade that works for your client or yourself, place it on the cheekbone and blend it properly into the skin. After that, we went on to conceal her under eye to highlight it properly, and for this we are using the Yangabeauty concealer in the shade SMC3. Place that under the eye region, the tip of her nose, the bridge of her nose, her forehead and then her jawline. Next, I went right in to blend it out using my beauty sponge from Yglam Cosmetics. You want to blend properly and make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere. Ask your client to look up so that you can see every fine lines under the eyes and fill them properly with the concealer. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, this is the right time for you to hit the subscription button. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and also share to your friends and family. Thank you so much. Next, we'll be setting all the highlighted area, and for that we'll be using the Melanin pressed powder in the shade 110. Want to first of all blend out all the creasing that may have occurred under the eye region, and then go in with a precise brush and set the area properly. You can see what I'm doing in the video, so make sure you're setting all the highlighted areas. Next, we'll go ahead and set the whole face, and for this we are using the Becharm ageless powder palette. You want to pick her exact skin tone and undertone and then set the whole of her face properly. Next, we'll go on to contour her face and we'll be contouring the cheekbone, her hairline, the jaw lines, the jaw area, and we'll also be contouring the nose area as well. Just keep watching the video, you'll see everything I'm doing in the video. Next, we'll be setting the highlighted area again using a powder that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than her face, and for this we are using the Becharm Ageless powder palette. You want to pick that with a fluffy blending brush and then set all the highlighted area properly. Next, we'll go on to add more warmth and color to her face by blushing up her face, and we are using that beautiful pink color. You want to apply it on her cheekbone, just on the cheekbone, and then the tip of her nose as well. For eyeshadow fallout, we'll be using the Glam setting powder to apply some loose powder under the eye region. This is going to help us hold the eyeshadow fallout that are going to come under the eyes. So next we'll be doing the eyeshadow work using the Blossom African Queen eyeshadow and the Zaron smudge eyeshadow palette. First we'll go on to apply some eye primer on her eyes, and for this I'm using my Yangabeauty concealer in the shade SMC3. It's basically the concealer I used under her eye region, so I'm just going to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. Then next I started by transiting her eyes using my smudge eyeshadow palette from Zaron, and you can see the shades I'm picking. So you're basically going to start by transiting from her crease, the crease of her eyes. That's where you're going to transit. You go on and add the colors you want, but you can see the colors I'm picking, so you can also do the colors that work for you. I also got the matte color into the lid of the eyes as well, but at the end of the day, make sure you blend it properly. There should be no harsh lines anywhere on the eyeshadow work. So keep watching, you see what I'm doing in the video. Thank you. Next, I went in with my Blot trailblazer eyeshadow to add more warmth and color to the crease of her eyes, and for this I'm using the orange shade. I'm basically just adding this at the crease of her eyes down to her contour area. You can see how lovely it's coming out. It's giving it this warm orange color and undertone, so you want to blend that properly before we went on to apply our eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow I'm using my Revolution blush and highlighter palette. I picked the shade I wanted and I applied it on the lid of her eyes in the sequence I wanted it to be. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm just basically placing it on the lid of her eyes. I am not dragging. So you just pick the color and then place it on the lid. Apply until the volume, the quantity is what you want for your look. Next, using my Zaron smudge eyeshadow, I'll go ahead to take out any harsh line between the transition and the eyeshadow. So you just want to blend that out properly. After that, I went on to apply some eyeliner, and for eyeliner I'm using the Tehila black eyeliner gel. Just apply it directly on her eyelid. It shouldn't be so far from the natural lashes. Ask her to look up and take it into the inner corners of the eyes, and also do for the waterline as well. Next, we went on to smudge her under eyes, which is the waterline, and we are using the Zaron smudge eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking a black shade, but you can pick any shade that works for you. So you just want to smudge under the eyes and give it this beautiful look at the end. Next, we went on to take out all the eyeshadow fallout using our blending brush. It's actually a fluffy brush, and this brush is from Beauty. You want to use it to take out all the setting powder, including the eyeshadow fallout that may be on the face or under the eye region. Next, we went on to do her brows, and for brows we're using the Davis pencil in the shade 03. You want to like sweep her brows up and then fill in her brows, tracing her natural brows. Just keep watching what I'm doing in the video. Thank you so much. Next, we'll go on to clean out the brow using our concealer in the same shade SMC3 from Yangabeauty. You want to basically clean out just the brow bone and then blend it out so that there are no harsh lines between the brow bone and then the crease of the eyes, which is where you did your transition color. So blend out properly. Thank you so much. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button at this point, and also give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. Next, we went on to fix some false lashes on her, and you just want to place the false lashes directly on the natural lashes And I fix this use a bonding glue. So apply the bonding glue on the strap of the lashes and then place it directly on the natural lashes. This way there will be no demarcation between the false lashes and the natural lashes, and then set properly and also press it together for it to hold for a longer time. Thank you. After fixing it, please take your time to take out any bonding glue that may be on the lower lash region. This way it will not be sticking together. If it's there, it will be sticking together. So go ahead and replicate the same process on the other lashes and we are good to go. Next, we are going to be adding some finishing touches to the face using our Melanin press powder. You want to set the face properly, especially all the highlighted areas, so it's going to look natural and flawless. Next, we went on to set the face with our Kissbeauty setting spray to give it this natural flawless finish so that there are no powdery effects. After that, we added some highlighter to her face and we're using the same highlighter from Revolution highlight and blush palette. Next, we went on to apply some mascara to her eyes and we're using the Kissbeauty mascara. Next, I will go on to do her lip work, and to outline her lips, I'm using my Tahila black gel. Mix it together with my Hegai&esther brow gel in the shade Ebony. You want to use that to outline the lips properly before going on to apply the lipstick to the lips. So keep watching what I'm doing in the video. Thank you so much. Next, going in with my Imagic lip palette, I'm going to be picking that red shade. So I'm going to apply it on the lips and then blend it out properly. So go ahead, take your time and blend out properly and make sure that there are no demarcations between the lining and the lipstick. And this is the final looks, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please do well to subscribe and don't forget to like and share, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.